Hello everyone, welcome to Family Fun Time. I'm Jared.
I'm Cullen and Kyleigh.
Today we're going to learn how to make some fluffy slime. You guys ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Here's what you need. Some baking soda, a half teaspoon, some contact solution, a tablespoon, some glue, a half cup measuring cup, some shaving cream, and a 1 cup measuring cup.
And food coloring.
And food coloring. Thank you all.
Welcome. And spoons.
And some spoons to stir, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. First, you want to take your shaving cream, and you're going to need 3 big cups of shaving cream.
Whoa!
Don't be worried if you go a little over because you can use it all.
It looks like stuff you put on your ice cream. That's funny. It looks like ice cream! But don't eat it.
2.
I wonder how much you need, right?
3.
I want some. Whoa!
1.
Can I touch it?
You will be able to.
This is all.
2.
Oh! How does that make it? Oh!
Don't touch too much, baby.
This is fun! I never felt shaving cream. How you get off?
You gotta rub it on the side of the bowl now. Rub it in like that. Now just hold on, because you're gonna have to mix this up anyway, okay? Just don't touch anything yet with that hand. Alright. Next, you want to get a half a cup of glue.
Now you can store it?
Not yet.
Yay, glue. Put it on it. Well, I wonder how this is going to do. Or be. What's this? That's shaving cream. Don't eat it, but it smells good probably. Oh, it sure does. Whoa! Now that's looking like some slime. Can I touch it?
Not yet. Not yet.
Well, my finger's gonna be sticky together if we touch the glue.
Alright, let's get your half cup, Cole.
Hooray! I'm so excited! It's turned to icing.
It almost looks like icing.
And that almost looks like juice.
Some juice.
Some juice glue.
Some juice glue.
Yeah. It's making a funny sound when you squish the ball, Dad. Can I put it in?
Sure can.
Thank you.
Pour it in your bowl. All the way.
Woo.
There you go.
Hooray! Now I can touch it.
Not yet. Hold on.
Woo. It's like syrup.
Mm-hmm.
Get some
Choose
all
this
over.
and get it all out. Make sure we get it all.
When I want to touch the glue.
Gonna get to here shortly.
Yep. I want purple. I'm taking red. I'm taking purple.
Alright. Next, you could go ahead and put you some food coloring in. Kylie wants purple, so we'll give her some purple.
It kind of looks like blue, but dark. When is going to turn blue? It says for purple, so it's going to turn purple. Wouldn't it? There's blue on it.
Cullen wants red.
Now I can. Hold on.
Hold on.
Sis. That's going to be the next step, I think. Right?
Mm-hmm.
I touched the glue.
Sorry.
But I'm lucky I didn't get my fingers stuck together.
Next, you want to put a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Or baking soda, sorry.
Can I start yet? Not yet. I want to get. I want. Can I get my hand on that?
And for the last ingredient, you want 1 tablespoon of contact solution. Alright.
Whoa.
Now you can stir it all up.
Yeah. Well, this is gonna be good. Well, to play with. Don't eat it. Oh, I got that. Just
Stir it up real good.
yeah. Like if you're making a cake or pancakes. Mine's turned purple.
Uh-huh. You stir it up real good. You gotta mix it all up.
Just like a cake.
Mm-hmm.
Lava. Lava.
Need some help, babe?
No, I got this. Woo! Too bad you can't eat it
No, you don't want to eat it.
because it's baking soda. It looks like snow.
Let's get it in the plate. You got some food color right here.
This is hard. A little bit.
Mix it up real good like that.
I do it on myself.
Mm-hmm.
Let me do it by myself.
Bub?
This is what it looks like.
Well, you gotta mix it much more than that, Bub. Ready? Let me see, spoon.
Yeah, it's hard to do it. I don't know what to do with this. It's kind of looking like cotton candy.
Sort of, yeah. Keep mixing it like that. You see how I'm doing it like that?
Yeah. And a spider web. That's the part that's sticky.
Now, yours, you could actually start mixing it up a good bit with your hands. Watch, let me see your hands.
Oh,
Pour a little
good.
contact solution over your hands, and it helps it to not stick to your hands as much until you get it kneaded up. Now just take your hands and stick in there and just keep doing like this. Flipping it and rolling it. Flipping it and rolling it like that.
Whoa, it's lifting up the entire bowl.
Stir yours up a little bit and we'll get you to that point too.
Woohoo! Look at this. Mine's done. Whoa, good thing we did this. Can I do mine?
Now watch. We're gonna let you do the same thing as Cullen.
Flying squirrel hand.
Put your hands over the bowl.
This is the best part.
Both hands. Both hands. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Get in there.
Oh.
Get in there. Keep it in the bowl.
Man, speaking of not making it stick, it's sticking. Ah. Woo!
You just have to keep messing with it, keep messing with it, keep messing with it. You gotta knead it. Almost like how Mom kneads the pizza dough.
Yeah.
You see how she squeezes it and stretches it?
Yeah.
The more you mess with it, the less sticky it's gonna get.
Look, this looks. I made bed. I made a bed.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh! Oh my! My bed got holes in it. It kind of looks like a million pieces of bubble gum. Hooray! God, this is crazy. Get down. Almost. It's sticky, Dad. It is all. Woo! Look here. Am I? Whoa! Do 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 do. Wow! Whoa! Hello! Hello, baby. Can I do mine all by myself?
The more you mess with it, the less sticky it's gonna get, okay? That's how you gotta do it. You gotta keep picking it up and rolling it like this.
Hello, I'm in someone's body.
It may take you 10 to 15 minutes of kneading the slime to be able to get it to this consistency. And if you're having trouble with it being sticky, add more contact solution to your mix a little bit at a time, and it'll get less and less sticky as you keep kneading it more. So how's it feel, guys?
It feels cool. It feels slimy.
Like slime?
That too is fluffy.
Is it stretchy? Can you stretch it?
Me too. I made two, Dad.
Now you got two pieces? Will it go back together? Yep.
Yeah.
Sure will.
Can you put it back in the bowl?
Yeah.
Did they see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a clear bowl.
What color is your slime?
Purple.
Purple. Good job.
My color is pink red. More pink than red.
It's okay. It looks red to me.
Next time we choose blue or green.
Did y'all like doing this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright. If you want to store your slime, you can store it in a plastic sealed container or a Ziploc bag, and you can actually play with it again for a few days. So if you enjoyed this experiment and you want to know how to do it, we'll leave it down in the description box, all the directions. So hope you enjoyed our video, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. The drop.